What do you have to say?
Hi, happy birthday.
Can you stand up and say hi?
I don't really want to.
What are you doing?
But I can do that.
Riley, what are you doing?
I'm sitting down and doing nothing. I'm playing it.
Can you say hi to Gigi Betty and Gigi Roger?
Gigi Betty! Hey, no, not in the mirror.
Maddie, what are you getting ready to do today?
Soccer.
Yay! Ashley, what are you going to do today? You're going to go play? We have a children's fair, don't we, at your school?
Oh, yeah! Why do I always have soccer on the children's fair?
Riley.
Last year I had soccer on the children's fair.
Riley.
How stickers on them? Let me see. She's so funny. Mommy, here's a Hello Kitty sticker for you.
I don't want it, thank you.
Bobby Joe.
Can you guys get all up there and say hi? This is some craziness, I'm telling you. They're so weird.
Hi, happy birthday! I already said that yesterday, so hi. Hi, how are you, Bob?
Yes, that's right. I was talking to Gigi Betty. I think it was probably on her birthday, maybe. I can't remember. And I didn't even say happy birthday. So happy birthday, Gigi Betty.
Happy birthday, mister. Happy birthday, mister. Happy birthday.
Can you say happy birthday?
Mister.
Riley.
Happy
Riley.
birthday.
Ashley, stop. Ashley. Riley. What do you say? You say happy birthday? Happy birthday? Happy birthday?
Ducky.
Okay, that's no. No, thank you. What do you say, Riley? What? Oh, no, baby. No.
Are you going to send that video to her too for that? Shush, Riley.
Well, I'll leave you with the view of the Rockies out the window. Crazy kids.